If you're looking to upgrade your fiber optic toolkit, these are the toolkits for you. Hey there, Garrett here from Jonard Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a deep dive into 2 fiber prep kits. These kits are designed to make your fiber optic work more efficient and streamlined. Let's dive in and take a look. First, let's see what's inside both of these kits. A buffer tube ringer for ringing tubes up to 6 millimeters in diameter, a cable slit and ring tool, the ever popular round cable strip and ring tool, part number CST-1900, our LED flashlight with zoom lens, a wire stripper for 10 through 22 gauge wire, our wire and Kevlar cutting shears, part number TK-179, an insulated probe pick, a pair of high leverage diagonal cutting pliers, 8 inches in length, one of our most popular tools, the 3-hole fiber optic stripper, part number TK-375, a pair of long nose and side cutting pliers, an ergonomic cable splicing knife, 2 microduct cutters, part numbers MDC-14 and MDC-28, with maximum duct diameters of 14 inches and 28 inches respectively, a total of 4 midspan slit and ring tools with sizes ranging from 1.2 millimeters to 12 millimeters, and last but not least, a 6-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver with Phillips and slotted bits. Now let's have a look at your options for carrying these tools. TK-179 comes with a tool case with 21 pockets and a removable top and shoulder strap. And the TK-179B features a backpack that has 48 pockets, a laptop/tablet sleeve, and a hard plastic water-resistant bottom. Both of these kits are top of the line when it comes to fiber optic preparations. The TK-179 with the tool bag is perfect for those who want a compact and durable option, while the TK-179B with the backpack offers more flexibility and comfort on the go. If you're looking to upgrade your fiber optic toolkit, these are the toolkits for you. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.